Well, September has been quite a good month in real estate. Auction clearance rates have been excellent. Properties listed have been selling, prices have been up, achieving similar numbers to 12 months, 18 months ago. And it's great for sellers. Buyers, look, there's still not a lot of buyers around. And, I think a lot of the upbeat in the market at the moment is, people are trying to pick, when the market is bouncing, and I think a lot of people are thinking now's the time to get in, trying to pick now as being the bottom of the market, which it could be. We won't know until, maybe another 6-12 months, and we look back and say, yeah, that was the bottom of the market. Or 6-12 months, we might be sitting here saying, well, we still had quite a bit of a pullback still to come. Like I said, we won't know, but what I can say is that, stock levels are still very low, and, that could be part of what is allowed for the high clearance rates, allowed for the prices to be, some good results. As I said, prices up. We're heading into spring. We've just now, beginning of October, seen the RBA drop interest rates now to record lows. The cash rate's now at 0.75%. 0.75%. Predictions that's going to go lower over the next 6-12 months. So, the RBA are really trying to kickstart things and kick the economy along. And, obviously at the moment, with them dropping rates, they don't have a lot of confidence where things are, and they're trying to give people a reason to borrow, to feel confident in borrowing. Jump out and get a mortgage and buy a property, or refinance to renovate, finance to get a car, finance to holiday, whatever it is that you're borrowing money for. They're wanting people to do that because spending is down. A lot of businesses are hurting and saying that the number of sales is low. People just aren't spending money, and hopefully with this drop in interest rates, that's going to start to see things turn around. And if it does, we might be right. Now we might have seen the bottom of the market, and hopefully prices continue on from here. With a bit more stock in the market, that's when we're going to see sort of where prices are headed. If they continue to stay stable or even head up with more volume, more listings, that's a good sign. If over the coming months leading into Christmas with spring and summer, if we see more listings come to market, but auction clearance rates drop, well, that's then when it might be a bit of a concern. Anyway, stay tuned. It'll be interesting to see what happens.